This is what I wanted you guys to see when the Federal Reserve came out. So they came in and they didn't cut rates, and this is bad news, okay? All you have to understand, like I talk about each day on my channel, is that number up through there, if it's red, that's not good news. I mean, it's red and it's over 10, and that's really not good news. So we're seeing the rates go from 6.35, and they're on their way to 6.5. So what do you do if you're a homeowner, home buyer? Well, let's get over to some of the news that we want to really focus in on today. The biggest news that we're going to see also is right through here. No, I don't forget, and the reason why I brought this up, a lot of people keep saying, Dan, do you keep forgetting about the deficit? No, it's going to hit 40 trillion or whatever this number is up here, and it's getting there pretty quick. But let's get over and really focus in on what the market's focusing in on, and let's try to figure out where mortgage rates are going to go from here and why. So the first thing we want to do is go to this. This is what I really want to focus. You're going to learn something today. I can promise you. Okay, so I want to show you where inflation's actually starting to not be as high. I don't want to say it's coming down, because inflation, anything over zero, means there's inflation. But it's not as rapidly growing like it's been. But here's what the Federal Reserve has to contend with. They control that rate over there. You can see when the news comes out, they're going to say, well, we control the federal funds rate. That's the rate over through there. That's what the Federal Reserve controls. It's interbank lending. So what happens is, at the end of the day, you might have Citibank, Bank of America, somebody like that needs to have X amount in reserves to be solvent to close their books. Well, if they don't have enough money, they can go out and get money lent to them at that rate. Don't you wish you can get that rate? Okay, so they kept that rate steady. But what they're focusing in on is inflation. The PCE, that's what they're looking at. In February, it was 2.8. They want this at 3. I'm going to show you the news we're getting tomorrow. We're going to get economic news tomorrow. We're going to get the PCE. It's going to be above 3. It's going to be on the way to 3.5, maybe 4%. So the Federal Reserve can't cut rates. We got inflation way too high.